Exciting kids, walkie-talkies for boys, unleash adventure for fun. And this product have 4.6 inches and ergonomically designed walkie-talkie are adapted to fit small hands between the age 3 to 6. And the lightweight compact design, weighing only 62 grams, it makes it easy for our kids to hold it and play with. And it is normal that our mini walkie-talkies are smaller, and they are easy to use with the simple buttons and a push-to-talk feature. The walkie-talkies are incredibly easy to use, making them the great toy for the kids aged 3 and up. Locking in on the single channel, and kids can have fun without any complex. And they have crystal clear communication. Advanced clear voice technology ensures that our our kids' voice is always heard loud and clear. With a static-free communication, the walkie-talkie have range of up to 1,000 feet in the ideal condition, ensuring that kids can always stay connected. And they are durable and safe, made from anti-fall ABS material. The walkie-talkies can withstand drops of up to 5 feet, making it easy enough to for kids to use indoors and outdoors. Built-in lanyard hole makes our kids easy to carry their toys around with their favorite lanyard. Okay, and they have the ideal toy gift for kids, packaged in a beautiful gift box. The robot walkie-talkie makes it ideal choice for kids from 3 years old to 6, whether playing in the backyard or going on a camping trips, giving our children a start to a happy adventure with the mini robot walkie-talkie toys. And you can find this product in the description below if you want to get to know more about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.